rebound, score!
Save on the one-timer.
Speaking of all-world, Doc and Eddie, how about Pavel Datsyuk? He takes a hit to make a play, gives a hit to Matt Bolesky.
Green sent it back. Richardson's shot, and that one knifed out of the air. Rebound, score! It's Datsyuk!
But the skill level of Datsyuk's absolutely off the charts.
Thrown back over, Datsyuk fake, shoot, score! He's done it again! 2 power play goals, points 900 and 901 for Pavel Datsyuk.
Boy, what an afternoon for Pavel Datsyuk.
Played back to the point by Downey. Drew Downey, they set it up for Toppoli. Quick shot, save on the one-timer by Kinkaid. Shovels it across, they set it up for Muzzin. Now Downey shooting and a save by Kinkaid who got over.
And today's first score from the Devils with the shutout, number 1, Kinkaid.
And for Keith Kinkaid, the first shutout of his National Hockey League career.
It's his 15th consecutive start for Brian Elliott right now. He's been really carrying the mail, and he's played some really, really solid hockey.
It's the pass in the right wing corner. Out in front, Coburn shoots. Save Elliott. He's reaching back and looking back, but he's got the puck, and here's the whistle.
Wow, this is a tremendous save by Elliott.
And one of the things that was really impressive was how he controlled those rebounds.
No one better than Brian Elliott tonight. Of 15 consecutive starts, he has won 9 of them.